Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the Sony TX55. At the front of the box you're going to see some features: 16.2 megapixels Exmor R lens, 5x optical zoom, 10x clear image zoom, and a 3.3-inch touchscreen in the back of the camera, and of course full HD 1080p recording. Let's go ahead and just open this box. As you see, I kind of failed trying to open this box, but now I'm using scissors, so hopefully that shouldn't be a problem. Alright, let's take a look. Installation CD, which probably not going to use. Limited warranty, very useful to keep. Some messages from Sony in many different languages. Advertisements. Some more advertisements and advertisements. Manual, which is nice, but probably not going to use that either. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, nice camera, but we're going to look at that later. The battery that the Sony camera uses is the NPBN1. The power block is USB connected, of course, and it's very compact. The paint pen is used for the touchscreen. You can do very paint-like things with this pen. USB cord, self-explanatory. And the wrist, the camera strap. And let's take a look at this TX55 Sony camera. First glance, it's extremely sleek. It's very stylish. It's very smooth. It feels great in the hand, and it looks great. The front is a slide up and down cover. It's on and off, so it's very convenient. The back, of course, the 3.3-inch touchscreen. It's a very big surface, surprisingly sensitive, so it's a good thing. Top has a larger picture-taking button and a smaller on and off button. The zoom is a kind of an analog stick, so it's nice that it's a left and right mechanism. The bottom compartment is of course the battery and the flash. Sorry, not the flash. The card, the memory, which actually this camera uses a micro SD. Very nice camera. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them.